Look what happens if you sleep with your pet. Many people have pets at home, with dogs and cats being the most common. Pets become a member of the family and need great care, in addition to affection. So it surely will not sound like something out of the ordinary that some people sleep with their pet. But many people disagree, especially when it comes to children, as they can spread some dangerous disease. But this time we will tell you what happens to you if you sleep with your pet. Although many people think that sleeping with a pet is unhealthy, for possible risk of contracting an illness, sleeping with a pet has great benefits. It turns out that a study at the Mayo Clinic found that pets help sleep better. To obtain this, they were studied about 150 people who went for sleep disorders, apparently all used to raise their pets, for various circumstances stopped doing so, and when they did, insomnia invaded and could not sleep. The results of the study were as follows. 1. Sleeping with pets helps people relax their mind, so falling asleep is faster and deeper. So it is advisable for all those people who suffer from insomnia and have tried everything to be able to sleep. 2. Only 10% of the 150 people who slept with pets made sure their pets woke them up at dawn. 3. 60% of people said that sleeping with their pets made them feel more secure, cared for while sleeping. 4. 20% said their pets at some point in the night woke up, but if they did wake them up, it was enough to see them asleep to relax and go back to sleep right away. 5. Everyone said that it is warmer and more comforting to sleep with your pets.